Just another couple of tips for you. Putting lights on in houses or whatever. This is a signal box, as you can see I'm building. I've put a 3 LED strip. I've glued it on there. You've seen these strips. There's some 6 strips there, but that's just a 3. It's a white light, but what I've done is I've just put a bit of red felt tip pen on top, and it gives off a sort of a bluish glow, which I'll show you in the other box. They're all lit up. Just show you what I mean. Forget the wires to. I'll just put a connector on these and then of course run it through my baseboard. You can see that it's showing off as a bluish light there. Probably don't get the effect with this other lamp above, but I'll show you my one on the line there. That's the one on the line. As you can see, I painted that just a bit of red felt tip on top of the lamps, and it just gives it that bluey glow, which is a bit like fluorescent lighting. It looks a lot better than nothing in at all. And of course in that one I put 1 or 2 fittings in. It's up to you with that. You can make your own fitting. You can buy a pack of those fittings, but they're a bit expensive. And back to this signal box that I'm making. As I say, you do all this before you. I've got the top part to build obviously yet, but that's all fitted in now. I'll just put a small connector there, which you can hide underneath there. Then it can go through my baseboard and onto my. What's 12 volt is that? But that's one of the ways to do it, to keep it. Say it's struggling trying to make holes afterwards. Another thing I've got, I'll show you. I bought some more of these 12 volt flashing LEDs. You can see the price there. I'll just connect it up and show it to you. Very difficult to do when you try to hold them. There you can see it flashing. I've just held it onto my leads off the transformer. It's on 12 volt. The resistors are already built in these, and so they're only £1 a piece. I'll just show you then what I do for mounting it on a car or whatever. Just hang on. That's one I did earlier on. You'll have seen it on the other, but I've literally made it all a little bit bigger and dropped the light further in, and then I didn't think it was quite as blue as what it should have been, so oh, light's gone through now. You can see what I did anyway. I'll have to push that back up. But I just put a drop of blue paint on top then, and it came out well. I'm going to have to get that. I'll put a bit of blue tack there and maybe put a little bit of glue just to hold it. You can see it's quite effective, and I paid literally £1 for that, for the blue flashing light. Police car, what, about £3, £3.50. Whereas this other one, Panda car there with the blue flashing light on, which I bought already installed, that cost me £23. So there's quite a saving to be made. Recently been just extending the back of this station. So I've put the car park and road down the back. So that lighthouse, that's me lighthouse. The signal box that I'm building there, I'm going to put that in this area somewhere. And I'll just finish that off, I think then. And they are from a distance. They look alright. I just think I shall put one on an ambulance next. Maybe the fire engines as well. And then we'll have to have some sort of a accident or something and get the sirens going. All things to be different things you can do with the railway. I've now put the other blue light in the ambulance, so I just got my drill, drilled straight through, sat the light in, and just a little bit of blue tack, and then I just put a drop of paint around it. And I'll just show you now. I connect it up onto my transformer, There we go. So now I'll put that on the board there. I'll make some sort of seed up with it all. I've done another one as well, I'll just show you. There you go, there's one on that mobile crane down there. It was a red one. I tried putting a bit of yellow paint on, tried to make it orange. But anyway, it's alright. As you can see, I've got the signal box in position now. The light's on in that. Unfortunately, don't see much of the light because, of course, the windows are facing the track side. But anyway, it's all in place now. Just see if I can get this ambulance on and take a little bit of the lights, the flashing lights, the 12 volts, the LEDs, and they're already fitted with the resistors. The resistors are already in there, so you can wire them straight up onto your 12 volt. And here we are, we had an accident. Post office van's run into the roadworks, gone on its side, so I have to get the police car and ambulance racing along.